Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the same Satoshi Nakamoto. The currencies began use in 2009 when his implementation was released as open source software. Bitcoin symbol code submits original authors white paper implementations initial release latest release code repository development status ledger issuance schedule block reward. Bitcoin are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity, and the thus carbon footprint used by mining, voice volatility, and thefts from exchange. Some investors and economists have characterized it as a speculative bubble at various times. Others have used it as investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. In September 2021, El Salvador officially adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender in the face of internal and international criticism, Bitcoin becoming the first nation to do so. The word Bitcoin was defined in a white paper published on 31 October 2008. It is a compound of the word bit and coin. No uniform convention for Bitcoin capitalization exists. Some sources use Bitcoin capitalized to refer the technology and work and Bitcoin lowercase for the unit of account for the Wall Street Journal, the Chronicle of Higher Education and the Oxford English Dictionary advocate the use of lowercase in all cases in design, mining, supply, decentralization, privacy and fungibility, wallets, history, associate ideologies, economics, legal status, tax and regulation, criticism, software implementation in popular culture. See also notes, reference, external links. Last added 4 days ago. Cryptocurrency blockchain.com Monero Wikipedia content is available under CC unless otherwise noted.